Hey guys, this is Alex from Dragon Impact, and today we received our order from Airsoft Innovations, and I am going to be putting together one of their impact tornado grenades here. Now, I haven't assembled this before. I haven't even taken a look at these things yet, so the purpose of this video is to show how easy it is to put this together here. Got a little oil there. Instructions. And pin. And there we go. Right, so we got a little warning sticker here informing you to lubricate your impact tornado with every 5 deployments. A little bit of that oil there into it. And that's the grenade there. So, this here is a demo one they've sent me. So the orange and black is not available in store. Now let's go through this bit by bit. There we go. User's manual. So, breakdown of the parts and how it's armed and safe. So if we take that bottom ring off, we know now it is in a safe position there. Wear protection, important, open position and closed position. Your grenade is safe to disassemble and rearm if there is space at the bottom of it. Yeah, so right inside here there's a little bit of a space, but you can see this line here. So because that's pushed down, that one's safe. So when it's pressurized, think of it like a piston. It would be pushed up right up through against there. So this one is safe to go. First step, take off the cap. Done. Second is put the ring through with a pin. Okay. And then we put in the stem pieces there. So go with the big stem first, offset disc, slide disc, and small stem. Okay, so there's definitely a difference between the two of them there. Fat and skinny. So we go big guy first, offset, slide disc, and then the skinny guy. Alright, and verify that the inside is clean. This one tops. Alright, so then we just have to get our assembled parts there and line it up with that center hole. There we go, click. Alright. Twist it on, then you pressurize it, and then you can fill it up with the pellets. Alright. And then, to deploy, screw in the cap and pull the ring out. Alright. Now it doesn't say anything about having to pressurize it first. It shows that you should pressurize it first and then put the BBs in, but I'll try just putting the BBs in here first and then pressurize it outside of the store, just so I don't have it blowing up in here. Well, actually, use some cheapies here. See how easy these go in. Or if I need a speed loader. Try to skip the video here so you don't have to painstakingly watch me shove pellets in here. So, grab my speed loader just to show you how quick and easy you can put these in here. So, you can use your speed loader, get the balls in there a lot faster. Alright, so got it all filled up, pressurized, oiled, put some G&G Airsofts inside there. Downstairs in the warehouse, made this little area here, so all we got to do is screw that guy on. Okay, nice and tight. I'm just going to make sure I pull this pin and put on the safety glasses. Actually, there we go, and let's let her rip. Fun stuff. That's there. So a few rounds in there. I wasn't sure how long to actually pressurize that guy for, so I just put enough gas until she wouldn't go anymore. Awesome. So there you have it. That's the Airsoft Innovations Impact Tornado Grenade. Available at Dragon Impact.